Your opinion on Trafick Master Laminated flooring, the 99 cents a square foot, any good for a mobile home?
I don't like laminated flooring.
Or the Trafick Master?
I don't like laminated flooring. Doesn't matter what the brand is. I don't like the vinyl stuff because, you know, it breaks real easy. It's hard to get together. It's harder to put together. The Smart Core flooring and all the other brands, they try to say life proof and all that stuff. The problem I have with that particular type of flooring, the laminate or otherwise, is if you get a scratch in the middle of it, you're not going to be able to get it apart to replace just that piece. I mean, I'm sure there's somebody out there who might know how, but every time I've ever messed with any kind of laminate, plastic or, you know, or that snap together flooring, those pieces break whenever you start trying to take them out. So if you get a scratch in the middle of that floor, the whole area has got to be replaced. So to me, it's about as good as linoleum. It has its disadvantage is that it tends to move around. It's a floating floor system. So I've went into places where they said, hey, I got a gap over here by my trim. What are we going to do? I don't know where to get this. So I said, can you just give me a second? Then I just take a run and slam on the brakes, and it slides it up underneath the trim. It's like, well, what do I owe you for that? No, I don't want to charge you for that. Now you know a trick on how. I mean, it's a floating floor system. It's meant to do that. If you made it tight, it would buckle up whenever it gets too warm because it's expanded. The problem that I have with the laminate floors is any laminate floor, if it gets water underneath it, it swells up. If it gets water above it, it swells up at the joints. And then you wear off, with the wear and tear of your walking, you wear off those seams because they're the ones that swell up. When it comes to the total vinyl ones, they say they're life proof if you look at the thickness of that material on top, that color on top, it's not even as thick as your fingernail. It's the thickness of the color on your Formica top. So consider you're walking on something similar to the Formica top on your counter, and you got sand on your shoes or a rock stuck in your shoe, or somebody drops a hot pan or a curling iron on it, it's melted, okay, or it's burnt. There's no way to fix that. It's
that's
not
the stuff
hard.
we're putting in my chicken house, right?
Yeah, that's because I had some. No, that's the laminate floor. That's
okay.
That's not laminate floor. That's Trafick Master Grip Strip, which is Home Depot also.
That's what he was asked to. Trafick Master. Oh, laminate flooring. Okay.
Laminate flooring is still Trafick Master. They make it. I've done it. I don't. It's okay if you understand the shortcomings. If you get a scratch in the middle of that floor, you're not going to get it apart.